What if I told you there was a method for you to make $50 to $100 PayPal money directly, easily? Hi, my name is Willie Talks Finance, and every day I test out side hustles and ways to make money. So make sure you guys smash that like button. Let's get right into it. This website is called Paidera.com. But before you guys actually go in the description, let's actually look over it. Look at the reviews. We're going to look at the proof, and I'm going to look at the inside platform of how it actually looks. With my end, I'm going to give my honest feedback of this website. All right, let's get into it. So this website claims to turn your time into money. You don't need any experience, no prior knowledge. All you have to do is fill out surveys, do tasks. I have done reviews of similar types of websites on my channel. Let's get into it. Paidera specifically, they have a lot of tasks, and they do have instant payments. All right, okay, what do they actually offer? So they have sign up tasks, they have complete surveys, you have upload videos about them, you invite your friends, you can make money, you write about them, and then you can see all your earnings into analytics. We're gonna actually jump in my platform in a little bit, but before that, let's look at the FAQ about this. What is Paidera? Paidera is a multiple stream income money to make money online. They have surveys, paid quizzes, multiple tasks, writing posts, promoting videos, referring friends, and much more. How much can you earn? You can earn a limited amount of money, and you work. It is your time. You're the boss. You decide. That is what I like about that. Right now, there's two minimum thresholds. I'm gonna show you in my platform. $20 and $30. Right now, the only method that they support is PayPal. They do not support any other method. So usually it takes 15 days and they receive the payments after that. All right, let's actually look at some proofs and reviews about it. Okay, so this is a Paidera. Paidera is a trusted website that a lot of people have been using. Okay, so let's actually look at some proofs and reviews of their website and show you how legitimate it is actually, this website. Proofs and reviews section. In order to sign up for this website, all you have to go is on paidera.com and click on I want to create an account. It'll bring a sign up. You enter in your first name, last name, your username, email address, password, and you confirm your email. So you can make money taking surveys, downloading apps, doing tasks, inviting friends, uploading videos, writing short articles, and many ways. So it is not only surveys. They have many different ways to make money. Alright, let's actually jump into my platform and see how it looks. Alright, so this is how the dashboard looks. You have your earnings on the left, you have your referral link, so that is, I recommend. So I'm actually going to leave my referral link in the description if you want to sign up through there, and then you can earn some money from this website and work to it, and it helps me support my channel. Alright. Okay, so on the left side, you have all of these tasks and your completed tasks. You have your surveys, you have your promotional videos, your referrals, your rewards, the payment requests, and the payment settings. So the payment settings is via PayPal, and that is how they pay you. All right, you see over here 990 cents. So you get 1,000 cents, it's $1. So you see over here you're doing what? Let's look at the surveys. 35 cents for 18 minutes of your work. If you get with time, you get better at them, you can actually be a little bit quicker, but you don't want to go through them and get kicked out. So that it is. Like most of these survey type websites, they don't pay out. Typically, they don't pay out very much. But considering that this is only some side hustle money, that it is so easy to do, that anybody can do, whatever the amount is, it is so great. And considering it could be a lot more in your country, because it is in USD. You look at the tasks, it's just opening games and playing it. 624 cents just to play a game. So you see over here, playing a Board King's Android, 624 cents. It's about $6 just for playing one game. And Board King iOS, 600 cents. 50 cents is equal to 50 USD dollars. 100 cents is $1. So $6 just for playing one game. $5, $5, $11, $11, $14, $14, $16. Let's look at another platform, Personally. See over here, Personally, they have a lot of these 1 cent where you just have to engage with the website, click on the ad, and you get 1 cent out of it. Just for a single click, you get 1 cent, and quickly you can go through them very quickly. So in conclusion, this website is a great money-making website. You can make a good amount of fair money on the side. You're not going to be rich with this, but definitely it is still good and viable. This was your boy Willie Talks Finance. Make sure you guys go down, smash the like button, and subscribe to the channel for new money-making videos. Until next time, peace.